सबसे पहले जो है ये टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस है, इसकी डिफाइन करते हैं। इसकी 3 प्रॉपर्टीज, ठीक है, ये आप देखें। एंड सेकेंड नंबर पे द ओपन सबसेट ऑफ सेट एक्स ऑल नंबर। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है कैन यू कंपेयर टू टोपोलॉजीज। और नंबर फोर्थ है व्हाट आर द कॉजल एंड फाइनाइट टोपोलॉजी। डिस्क्रीट स्पेस टोपोलॉजी क्या होती है। इंडिस्क्रीट स्पेस टोपोलॉजी, मेट्रिक टोपोलॉजी, मेट्रिजिबल टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेसेस। आगे है यूजुअल टोपोलॉजी और रियल नंबर। की स्पेस ट्रू एंड फॉल्स आपने देख रहे हैं। डिस्क्रीट टोपोलॉजी, इंडिस्क्रीट टोपोलॉजी, T1 and T2 टोपोलॉजिकल। T1 इविटर इफ है, T1 सबसेट है T2 का। और नेक्स्ट है राइट ऑर्डर टोपोलॉजी, लेफ्ट ऑर्डर टोपोलॉजी, डिफाइन सबस्पेसेस, is every subset of y of x is a subspace of x. Y subset x is a subspace of x if the topology of y is relative topology. What about converse? A subset u of y which is open in y may not be open in x. Give an example. Is any subspace of a discrete space discrete? Is any subspace of indiscrete space indiscrete? Is it true? Define closed set. Define closure of a set. Which of them true? The closure of a is closed subset of x and is smallest closed superset of a. Which of them true? Phi का क्लोजर लें इज इक्वल टू फाई, फॉल्स। ट्रू आप देखें ए सबसेट है क्लोजर ऑफ ए का, ए इज क्लोजर ए इज इक्वल टू ए। ट्रू देखें क्लोजर ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू ए। बाकी आप ये ट्रू फॉल्स देख लें। विच ऑफ देम आर ट्रू? ट्रू देखें ये सबसेट ऑफ ए बी का जो इक्वलिटी होल्ड करती है। ट्रू ए इंटरसेक्शन बी सबसेट है ए क्लियर इंटरसेक्शन बी क्लियर। डज द इनइक्वालिटी ये होल्ड करती है इन जनरल? नो। डज ए यूनियन बी इज इक्वल टू ए यूनियन बी क्लियर फॉर द यूनियन ऑफ इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ सेट? नो। May the union of infinite number of a closed sets be closed? A is closed is closure or A is equal to A. What about converse? Define interior of a set. Is the interior of A open in topological space X? Yes. A be a subset of a topological space, then A is open if and only if. Then A be a subspace of a topological space, then which of them are true? ये क्लोजर ऑफ इंटीरियर ऑफ ए सबसेट है ए का। इंटीरियर ऑफ इंटीरियर ए इज इक्वल टू इंटीरियर ऑफ ए। ट्रू ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इंटीरियर। ट्रू ए यूनियन बी इंटीरियर। ए सबसेट है बी का। इंटीरियर ऑफ ए इज ओपन इन एक्स। ये ए बी ए सबसेट ऑफ ए टोपोलॉजिकल एक्स्ट्रा देन इन जनरल ये इक्वलिटी होल्ड नहीं करती। गिव एन एग्जांपल। या एग्जांपल देख लें। नेक्स्ट है बाउंड्री ऑफ ए सेट। इज फ्रंटियर ऑफ ए इज क्लोज सेट? यस। ए बी ए सबसेट ऑफ ए एक्स्ट्रा देन विच ऑफ देम आर ट्रू? ट्रू आप देख लें। क्लोजर ऑफ ए इक्वल टू ए यूनियन फ्रंटियर ऑफ ए। इंटीरियर ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू ए कंप्लीमेंट ऑफ फ्रंटियर ऑफ ए। यस। बाकी आप फॉल्स देख लें। और एनी सबसेट ए ऑफ एक्स इज क्लोज A is closed if and only if ये A फ्रंटियर ऑफ A सबसेट हो जाएगा A का. SPN extra has an frontier if and only if A is both open and closed. Is the above statement true? Yes. Limit point of a set. Drive set of our limit point. Drive set of a set is not necessarily closed. Give an example. Which of them are true? Dense subset closure A is equal to X. Define separable space. Base for the topology. What are basic open subset? Relative base क्या होती है? Example of a base. Give an example of base of a right order topology. In particular, the open interval of a real line are base for the usual topology. All open interval with the rational endpoint is a base for the usual topology on a real line. Define subbase. What is the main importance of a subbase? Example of a subbase. Neighborhood base. Give an example of a neighborhood base. ये 2 पॉइंट्स हैं. Example, every discrete space has a finite neighborhood base at each of its point. Give an example of a neighborhood base for a discrete space. First countable space. Second countable space is every second countable space. First countable. If first countable space may not be a second countable, give an example. Any uncountable set X with a finite topology is not a first countable and so not second countable. We define open cover. Define Landelov space. A space extra has to be a Landelov space. Which of them? 2. अब 2 point देखिए. Closed subspace of a Landelov space are Landelov. Every second countable space is Landelov. Every second countable space is separable. 2 देखिए. Every separable metric space is second countable. Define neighborhood of a point. Define continuous function in a topological space. A function of a continuous on a topological space as if it is a continuous at every point of X. Give an example of a continuous function. Extra be a topological space. A function f of x of I is continuous if and only if a subset A function of A क्लोजर सबसेट हो जाएगा फंक्शन ऑफ A क्लोजर होल का. एक्स वाई जी भी टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस एंड एक्स से वाई से जी में तो एक्स से जी में चला जाता है. डिफाइन ओपन एंड क्लोज फंक्शन. द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट ट्रू. Image of a open set may not be open. Yes. XY continuous A subset of X. Then the restriction function of A of Y of A is continuous or not. Is a composition of a function continuous in topology. Define homomorphism. F bijective or continuous of F inverse is continuous. What are homomorphic spaces? XY be a bijective function, then F inverse is the continuous if and only if F is open. Defines an example of a homomorphic spaces. Is identical mapping X y is homomorphic? Yes. X, Y, Y, Z are homomorphic, then their product X, Z is homomorphism. Is there a relation, equivalence or equivalence relation? Yes. Do the class of a topological space partition into equivalent classes of a homomorphic space? Yes. What are topological property? Give an example of a topological property. Product spaces. The set of integer has a subspace of R has a discrete topology. Does the set of a relation as a subspace of R have the discrete topology? A discrete space is Landau space if and only if it is countable. Is every subspace of a first countable space first countable? Yes. A discrete space X is separable if and only if it is a countable? Yes. If it is countable, all open interval in R homomorphic. Which of them are topological property? Yes. First countable, second countable, separability, Landau space, first countable. Which of them are true? First, every second countable space is Landau. All open interval in R are homomorphic. Does homomorphic has a symmetric property? Separation axiom. Define Carnot spaces. Define some example of Carnot spaces. Given counters example of a Carnot spaces. A space X is Carnot space if and only for AB in X A बराबर नहीं है, B is implies that. Define Tavan spaces. Give an example definition of Tavan space. Is every Tavan space a Carnot space? Give an example to support that every Carnot space is not a Tavan space. The subspace and product of Tavan space are the single subspace of Tavan space are closed. Give an example of a Tavan space. Give a counter example of a Tavan space. State the relation of the following statement. The above statement about the topological spaces are equivalent. A space X is Tavan if and only if every finite subset of X is closed. Every finite Tavan space is discrete. In a Tavan not finite subset has a limit point. Define Tatu space. Hausdorff spaces. Is every Tatu space is Tavan? Yes. What a Hausdorff space? Is every Tavan space Tatu space? ये इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है पेज नंबर 83 में कि टाटू टावन होती है लेकिन टावन स्पेस टाटू नहीं होती. may not be a Hausdorff space. Give an example of Tatu space. Metric space is Tatu. Give a counter example of a Tatu space. Explain set with a cofinite topology. The space is not a Tatu space. Give an space what is Tavan but not Tatu. Is there any relation between the following statement? If yes, then it is. What are the convergence sequence to a point? In an arbitrary topological space, a sequence may converge to more than one point. X be a Hausdorff any sequence in X can converge to at most one point in a Hausdorff space. Limit are unique. X be arbitrary topological space and Y be a Hausdorff space. X Y be a continuous function. Then the graph closed diagram. X Y topological space and Y is Hausdorff space. F B A G be continuous function from X to Y. then A से fx is equal to gx का क्या होगा क्लोज. इज द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट ट्रू. A first countable space X is a Hausdorff space if and only if every convergent sequence has a unique limit. First countable space X is a Hausdorff space and every convergent sequence has a unique limit. Define regular space. Give an example of a regular space. What is a Tarty-free space? Is every Tarty space is Tavan space? Yes. Define completely regular space. Is completely regular space is a regular space? What is Tarty half space? A completely regular Tavan space is said to be Tarty half space. What is Tychonoff space? T3 half space is also called Tychonoff space. Give an example of a Tarty half space. Is every metric space is Tavan space? Yes. Is every Tarty space is Hausdorff space? Yes. Which of them are true? True आप देख लें. ठीक है. आगे नेक्स्ट देखिए. What do you know about Cx of R? What are the separation of a point of C of x of R? For any x, if C of x is a separate point of x, then x is Hausdorff. Define normal space. Is definition of a normal space a standard definition? If not, then the given argument. Define Tafor space. Give an example of a normal space. Is Tafor space is regular space? Yes. Which of them are true? True आप देख लें. Is closed subspace of a normal space normal? Which of them are true? True वाले आप पॉइंट देख लें. Every regular Landau space is normal. Let the product of topological space be normal, then each x is normal. Define completely normal space.